Hi, my name is Nirav Patel. I have completed a graduation and I want to switch a career in non-IT to IT field. So one of my friends suggested STAD Solution, especially in manual testing course. So I successfully completed a manual testing course at STAD Solution. Hi, my name is Nirav Patel. I have completed. The training was very highly, deeply, and thoroughly. Cover all aspects how to create a documentations. First is bug report, test plan, test scenario, test case, requirement traceability matrix, test report, and many methodologies like agile model, waterfall model, incremental model, iterative models, and project management tools like Jira and functional testing, non-functional testing, type of functional testing, smoke testing, sanit testing, regression testing, retesting, and types of non-functional testing, performance testing, load testing, security testing, etc. And and I work on many live projects like a game app, mobile app, web app, many course. The training was very highly, deeply, and thoroughly. The instructions was very highly experienced, cover complex and critical concepts, easy to understand. So thanks to STAD Solutions, I feel confident to start my career in IT fields.